Maximize your productivity with a Volvo service contract. With a network of approximately 400 certified Uptime dealerships and thousands of service locations across North America, we're always there when you need us. The more you know about your vehicle, the better decisions you can make. Remote diagnostic analysis of critical fault codes leads to immediate communication and recommendations. Remote programming via over-the-air updates can be handled during a regular stop en route. Adaptive maintenance is based on actual operating conditions. With Assist, you have the power to monitor vehicle status, review estimates, approve repairs, and communicate directly with a dealer. Volvo Action Service offers 24/7 assistance in the US and Canada. One phone call connects you with Uptime experts to manage service, schedule repairs, and more. One login, one holistic view. Volvo Connect is the interface for all your services from Volvo Trucks and your digital key to a more productive, more profitable business. That way, you can do what you do best: load and deliver.